Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is the 2nd of October. We are loading up the van this morning, getting ready to head up the Waikato. Just getting everything packed up now. I need all the chargers. Closed for a couple of days. Computer for edits. So I do the kids, everyone else's stuff, internet, cameras, bikes. Inside, there's plenty of room. Right, everyone in?
It's not.
Yep. Loaded, good to go. Well, we made it to Bell Block, picking up lunch for the kids. It is just after 2, so very late lunch. You guys hungry?
Not really.
Not really? Oh, well, you wait in the car then.
I just have an ice cream.
I'm having ice cream, drink, and cheeseburger.
Let's go. Has everyone got everything they ordered?
Trying to.
I've got the burgers and chips here, Riley.
Everyone's been dished out,
Yeah, from us.
apart from us. Right, we'll grab our lunch and then we'll hit the road. We packed our lunch, so we're organised.
Snacks.
Must have snacks.
And the rain's getting heavier. We just made it to the farm, unloading the van. We're starting to unload the van, and it's now starting to rain more. Typical. Right, I'll make a run for it, get this van unloaded before the rain gets even heavier. Big kids are dropped off, 3 little ones back in there, bikes back on, off to Tikawiti.
Oh, yeah, look, there's some leaking in there.
Before the thunder gets here.
Yeah, the thunder is here.
It's nearly here. It's at the top of the Awakino Gorge. We have arrived in Tikawiti. We're going to quickly unload this van before it rains because it's on its way, and then go to the supermarket, get a few supplies. And we got just down the road and I forgot the helmets for the kids, Leonie reminded me.
Well, it wasn't just down the road, it was a little way, but we weren't going to turn around.
Yeah, we weren't going to turn around and go back. So the warehouse used to sell them for $9 each. So for the sake of $30, we're just going to get 3 more. If they're $9 each still, I very much doubt they are.
What do you want to do? Do you want to go to the toilet or something?
I'm saturated.
You're saturated. Yeah, he had to open the
I'm
gate.
sleeping on the couch tonight.
Are you?
It is raining. We made a run for it. We're out in the van. We're going to head down to New World now, pick up some dinner and the warehouse to get these helmets, which I forgot. Oh, it's a puddle. That's Finn, all right. He talks enough though without a game to encourage him more. Look, $14.
Yeah, but they're not, they adjust it. Yeah, non-adjust. That's small. Yeah, these ones are. Oh no, this one is. Oh, that's a 24.
This one's adjustable.
Yeah, just get all these ones.
Will that fit Colton? Will it fit you? Put it on your head.
Oh.
For $6 more we could have got mediums of those.
Yeah, but we don't know. Oh, they adjust. You want to do that and then they match our helmets.
Yeah. It's raining out there. Whoa! Was that lightning?
There was lightning! Holy moly! Woo! Whoa! It's like shaking the van.
That was like
directly above us. I bet the kids just pooped their pants.
you did. Right, to New World.
Yeah.
Still raining. Is that the shopping done?
I think so.
I hope so, because I'm sick of the rain.
Yeah.
Right, back to the house for dinner, because it is 7 o'clock.